guys, welcome back. Right now we're gonna go get some food with Jason and Noah, get some pizza. I figured I could do a POV drive on the way there, and then later this week, in a couple days, I'm gonna actually clean my car inside and out because it's quite bad. I also want to put these stickers on it right here. So I got Upper Ohio Valley Car Scene sticker, which is the local car group. I also got my Instagram tag. So I want to do that later this week too, when it's not raining, because it's spring, and in spring it rains. So let's go get some pizza. Honestly guys, sometimes it's really good to just go for a drive. I think I need to do that more often. It's a lot of fun, really enjoyable. That's why I like cars so much, because you get to drive. About this car is just how well balanced it is, how just amazing it feels going around corners. It's by no means fast in a straight line. It's actually the opposite of fast in a straight line. It can be beaten by most normal cars, but the handling on this thing is just amazing. They got the balance perfect. Now, it's not the most direct thing in the world, obviously, because it's older. There's also a cop. Hello. Anyway, it's not the most direct thing in the world because it's older, so the steering's a little, you know, slacky, but it's super well balanced. It just feels genuinely amazing. So yeah, that's one of the things I like most about this car. And one of the things that I've realized that is very important to me, other than looks, other than sound, handling is up there. That's why, honestly, out of every single car I've ever driven, and I've driven Hellcat, Huracan, 911 GT3, this car, the MR2, other Challengers, stuff like that. I've driven a bunch of cars. I've driven a Boxster. This is my, I would say, third or fourth favorite car. Behind the 911 GT3, behind the Huracan, behind probably the Boxster. I just really don't like the way the first gen looks. There would be this. So yeah, out of all the cars I've driven, I actually like this more than a Hellcat. I get more enjoyment out of this than a Hellcat. Yeah, the Hellcat's a lot of fun, but it just doesn't handle like this does, and that's more important to me than straight line speed. So yeah, it's a little insight on what I like about cars and what I like about this one specifically. That moves a little more than it used to.
Yeah, it does. It's got that flutter now too.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. You can kind of barely hear it.
Oh, I heard it. That sounds good.
Where'd it go?
So what size turbo is it now?
It's a 2867R Gen 2. I don't know what that weights down to, but 75% bigger, 50%.
Jeez.
Somewhere around there.
I love the gear shift.
That was a nice touch on the inside.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about this though.
I like it.
I might keep it, but I don't know.
I think you should get this white and then put these on it.
Ooh,
It would look better.
That was 20 pounds.
That's great.
On my way here, I hit 27. That's not an E30 to 2 for 2. I don't even know if that guy got back to me yet.
mine, so I wasn't even sure if I was in gear or not.
Yeah, it's got the 40% less throw.
Mm-hmm.
Best part is, weirdest feeling ever. Do a pull after we get a chance. So quiet.
Mm-hmm.
I like doing that because you can really hear the blow off out.
Now, how do you know lift shift?
How do I what?
How do you know
no
lift shift? Just do it?
When you're at like 5,500 RPM, hold the gas in, you'll hear it pop, 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 like clutch it in.
Yeah.
You'll hear it go pop, 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 shift, and just dump the clutch and go. So just do it like right at 5,500. Clutch in, shift. It's weird to get used to.
Yeah.
Very weird. But when you get it down, that holds boost so well.
So you have to do it at 5,500?
That's pretty much like the sweet spot. So like at 5,500, clutch in, hold the gas pedal down, shift, dump the clutch.
Okay.
You'll be able to
I understand now.
Go pop, 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 pop.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like AD lag.
So at 5,500, don't lift off the gas for pushing the clutch and shift.
Yes.
Right? Okay. I don't want to break anything.
Yes. And then dump the clutch out.
I still lifted off.
Be on my side.
I lifted.
Like you had the right motion, just don't hold that gas.
That's so weird.
There it is. See how it keeps that boost though?
Yeah.
It is weird. Makes it so much faster though.
Mm-hmm. It torque steers a lot.
That's with the traction control up.
Mm.
It's a lot more with it on.
Really?
Because it's this considered sport mode.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how they programmed it, but it just pretty much cuts it all out. We're supposed to, but
Huh.
it's pushing a lot more power than it's supposed to be. So
Mm-hmm.
you lifted.
Mm-hmm. Again. Boost is addicting.
It really is. That's all I've been doing. But that's not
Wow.
terrible average.
Mm-mm.
17.6. It actually went up when I put this turbo in.
That's crazy.
But I mean, we've just been beating on it, so it's kind of low. But I had it at 25 miles per gallon yesterday when I'm used to like 19. I was just kind of giving it gas and normal driving.
I'm gonna try to do it again. rates 180.
Yeah.
It's probably what it's geared to, so if you get enough power and less drag, or to beat the drag.
I think I could easily get 160s.
Oh yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Alright, well guys, that was a ton of fun. Got to drive the extra boosted ST again. That car is so much fun. It sounds so good, and it's properly quick. It scoots. Hope you guys enjoyed all that. It was a lot of fun. Thank you to Alex for letting me drive it. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. And I will see you guys next video. You guys have an amazing day, all right?